Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name's ClaraZeela and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So today I am really happy to share with you a quick unboxing from the Chanel 21B collection. Now I had my eyes on this item for quite a few months. Now I did reach out to my various SAs in Chanel. However, either Hong Kong didn't really get much stock or I just was not important enough, right? Like all things Chanel, you're either a VIP or you're a nobody, in which case recently I am probably a nobody as my SA has left to the UK and hence I am down to a nobody status. However, I was really fortunate as I did see someone post this item online and I was able to get this from a reseller, and I will put in my description box the name of the reseller that I reached out to. Her name is Anne, so thank you so much, Anne. And I've already unboxed this item as you can see somewhere on this screen, so I'll show you the item. So here you can see the choker up close. It has some crystals along the edges here and on the CC. You can see there are 2 rows of the leather intertwined in the chain, and you can see the leather weaves itself throughout the choker, and it has a lobster clasp on one end and it attaches to one of these rings here, so it is adjustable, and it has a small CC logo here at the end. So here is what the choker looks like on me, and I find that this is very simple and elegant and should go with most outfits. I'm so glad that I was able to find this choker because nowadays I am probably a nobody at Chanel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below, and if you haven't done so already, please feel free to like and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I will put my hashtag somewhere on this screen. I wish you a fabulous day and I will see you next time. Bye bye now.